In this video, we are going to discuss how to find your x and y intercept of a given equation of a line. So, thinking graphically, what is an x and y intercept? Let's say you have a line that looks like this. Your x-intercept is where the graph crosses the x-axis. So here's your x-axis, here's your y-axis. So this one right here, that point, that's your x-intercept. The y-intercept is where the graph crosses the y-axis. When you think about football, football has something called an interception. An interception is when, let's say, the quarterback throws the ball and the other team catches that pass. It intercepts it in its line of flight. So I always like to think of the football as this red line. It's its line of flight. And the interception is based on whichever line it crosses. So the x-intercept right here, that's where it catches it in its line of flight. And the y-intercept right here is where it gets caught in its line of flight. Now, how do you find it? Well, to find an x-intercept, if you notice, the y value is actually 0 there because it's on the x-axis. So you set your y equal to 0 and then you solve. Similarly, to find a y-intercept, if you notice, the x value is 0 because it's on this line. So we're going to find the x and the y-intercept by setting the opposite variables equal to 0, and then that'll give you the point. So let's do an example. Let's set y is equal to 4x plus 3. For the y-intercept, we're going to let the y value go to 0, and then you're going to solve for x. And that's going to be your x-intercept right here. Similarly, we let our x value go to 0 for our y-intercept. So it'll be 0, 3 for your y-intercept. And then if we were to graph it, you really only need those points. 0, 3 is your y-intercept, and negative 3/4, 0. So 1 is here, so negative 3/4 is sort of right here. And that's your equation of the line.